Hello everyone, as you can see it's raining heavily outside and I always wanted to try if you could actually use this heavy rain to take a nice shower. So let's try it. So I just got a little bit of soap and yeah, can you shower with rain? Apparently not. Not enough water. Yeah, okay, so I'm completely soaked up now and it's still raining, but this rain is not enough and apparently you can't shower. Maybe if the rain was even more intense, but definitely not like this. I'm going to shower for real now. The conclusion of this experiment? Well, you may shower outside, but only if it's raining really, really hard.